Today I wanna tape my training session, which will be at 50. It's going to be exactly at 50 yards. I have the 122 centimeter target face on with a little balloon on it. I'm usually not shooting at those distances, so that means probably it will take me some shots to hit my target. Yeah, so let's try. Let's see how long. Yeah. Low, but actually not bad. Let's see. Arrow number 2. And that was arrow number 2. This is really unexpected. So yeah, I expected more like 10 arrows, but yeah. The pressure is on now because I was hitting with a second arrow. The expectation is quite high now, so that is kind of a problem. If you know, every time you said to yourself, now I will hit that middle, rarely works, or yeah, that's unfortunate, but let's try. I'm still shooting my beautiful Bear Kodiak Hunter, second round, 50 yards. Oh, the height was perfect, I guess, but to the right, I guess I plucked it. Oh, touch under, not touch, it's quite a bit under. I lost my back tension on the end. Oh, yeah. The nerves are doing all kinds of problems with the archers when they expect to hit something. At least it does with me. So.
You will fail.
Oh my god, it's just left of it. Nope. So 5 arrows, no hit. It's a little bit childish, but it works. Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
Let's see now. This will be arrow number 6. Oh. Left and right was good. But yeah. Oh, this felt before it hit, felt right. When you let it and see it fly, like, and it just feels right, and you know you did it. You know you did it, and you just get that low confirmation. But yeah, that was arrow number 7. Arrow number 7. And the first time I hit it, I was after 2. So this is that excitement. Don't underestimate excitement from you expecting way too much of yourself. I'm pretty pleased with this. Hope you liked it, and see you next one.